Are you an introvert struggling in an extroverted workplace? Your quiet strengths are actually your superpowers. Here are 10 strategies to help you thrive in any extroverted environment. Get ready to transform the way you work and shine like never before. Greetings and welcome back to Introverted Excellence, or as we like to call it, Intro X. Today, we're unlocking the power of introverts in extroverted worlds. Introverted traits are not just valuable, they're essential for the balance and success of any team. Here's how you can adapt and thrive in extroverted environments. Leverage your listening skills. First up, your listening skills are like gold in a noisy world. Here's how you can use them to stand out. 1. Practice active listening. Focus on really hearing what others are saying, which means paying attention not just to their words, but also their tone and body language. 2. Reflect and respond. Take a moment to reflect on what's been said before responding. This thoughtful approach often leads to more insightful and meaningful contributions. 3. Feedback and clarification. Don't hesitate to ask for clarification or give feedback. This shows engagement and understanding, elevating your presence in discussions. Find your small group. Feeling overwhelmed by networking? Let's talk about the power of forming deep connections with just a few people. 1. You want quality over quantity. Focus on fostering a few meaningful relationships rather than trying to know everyone superficially. 2. Do regular check-ins, have regular, perhaps less formal catch-ups with your small group. And then 3. Seek mutual support, build a support system with these colleagues where you can share ideas and get feedback in a less intimidating setting. Create quiet success. Did you know your ability to focus is a rare skill? Here's how to use it to create amazing work that gets noticed. 1. Deep work. Carve out time for uninterrupted, focused work. This is when introverts often do their best work. 2. Showcase results. Regularly update your team or manager about your progress and achievements, ensuring your hard work gets noticed. 3. Project ownership. Take the lead on projects that align with your skills, demonstrating your initiative and expertise. Schedule recovery time. Feeling burnt out? Discover why scheduling downtime isn't just important, it's essential for introverts like us. 1. Understand your limits. Recognize when social interactions start to drain you and plan your schedule accordingly. 2. Find or create a quiet space in your workplace where you can recharge. 3. Balance your calendar with periods of collaboration and periods of solitary work. Not a fan of speaking up in meetings? Here are some alternative ways to make sure your voice is heard. 1. Prepared points. Before meetings, prepare points you want to share. This can help reduce anxiety about speaking up. 2. Written communication. Utilize emails or memos to communicate your ideas if that's more comfortable for you. 3. One-on-one conversations. Sometimes discussing ideas individually before a group meeting can be more effective. Your ideas are unique and valuable. Here's how to confidently share them and make a real impact. 1. Trust that your perspective is valuable and can bring a fresh approach to discussions. 2. Creative solutions. Don't be afraid to propose creative or unconventional ideas. They can often lead to innovative solutions. 3. Share selectively. Share your thoughts with a trusted colleague first to gain confidence before bringing it to a larger group. Setting boundaries doesn't make you antisocial. Learn how to do it effectively to thrive at work. 1. Communicate your boundaries clearly but diplomatically to your co-workers. 2. Work-life balance. Prioritize your personal time and hobbies outside work to maintain a healthy work-life balance. 3. Learn to say no. Politely declining excessive socializing or last-minute demands can help maintain your energy levels. Find mentors who get you. Here's why they're important and how to find them. 1. Look for mentors who have successfully navigated similar challenges. 2. Regular mentorship meetings. Regular meetings with your mentor can provide guidance and reassurance. 3. Learn from their journey. Gain insights into how they've leveraged their introverted traits for success. Love writing over talking? Let's explore how tech can be your best friend in communicating your thoughts. 1. Utilize project management tools, instant messaging, and emails to manage and communicate about work. 2. Online networking. Engage in online professional networks where you can connect and share ideas in a less overwhelming environment. 3. Make use of presentation tools to help convey your ideas clearly in meetings. Learn to recognize and celebrate your own successes. It's crucial for building confidence. Practice self-reflection. Regularly reflect on your successes and how your introverted qualities contributed to them. And then share your achievements with your team or manager to ensure they are aware of your contributions. Remember, being an introvert in an extroverted world isn't about changing who you are, it's about harnessing your natural strengths to excel and shine. Implement these strategies and witness the transformation of your workplace experience. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow introverts. Drop a comment below on what strategies you plan to implement. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on harnessing your introverted strengths. Until next time, keep thriving in your own unique way.